We're back home. We're home. Hello. We're back home. And today is awesome because we got some Chipotle chips from Sharis with the cheese and sauce. Now let's test this out.
Dip it in barbecue sauce.
Okay. I love ranch. Stop. Stop. Back off. Now this is what I call a fat gob. Stop. Let's dip it in the queso too. This is a fat gob. Do it in mukbang. Eat a chip.
It smells so bad over there. It smells like ranch over there.
I don't like that cheese. It's really good.
Stop dipping it in ranch.